Okay, Joy plants 3 rows of corn in a garden. The row on the south edge receives more sunlight than the row on the north edge. Therefore, the corn on the north edge is 30% shorter than that on the south. If the corn on the south edge is 50 inches tall, how tall is the corn on the north edge of the garden in inches? The first thing you got to notice is it says 3 rows. So when I first started working this, I did row 1, row 2, row 3, but it turns out you don't need 3 rows. It's not really needed in this problem. It's only talking about 2 of the rows. It says the north edge is 30% shorter than that on the south. So there's a really good percent equation that I use, and it's percent of total equals part. And if you just fill it in, it will tell you how to solve it, whether you're multiplying or dividing. Percent is 30%. I'm going to change that to a decimal, 0.3 of is times, and the total for the corn is 50. And if I multiply that, I get 15. Now, that's not the height of the north edge. That's how much shorter it is. So you have to do 50 minus 15, and you get 35, because that's the height of the south edge. And this is how much shorter the north edge is. So you just subtract. So you get C, 35. One thing to notice is, look at D here. They added 15 to it. So that's kind of a way that they're going to try to trick people. But if this is shorter than 50, you know that can't be it. So it is 35.